For the chili garlic fried rice, take 3 dry red chilies, take out the seeds, and soak them in water for 1 to 2 hours. Once they are done soaking, add them in the chopper along with 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and around half cup of green onions. Blend. Alternatively, you can also finely chop them. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it gets hot, add the spice mix. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until it releases all the aroma. To this we will add 2 cups of boiled rice. It's best to use rice that are cooked day before. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Mix and cook for another 1 minute. And switch off the gas. For serving, put the rice in a bowl and then flip it over in a serving plate. Serve with fried egg and some chopped green onions. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.